How to recover Gmail emails that were permanently deleted. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common concerns for Gmail users, how to recover permanently deleted emails. So without further ado, let's dive into our Google account. Go to our Gmail right here. Click on this one. Go to your Gmail. And by the way guys, losing important emails can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll guide you through the process and steps for potentially retrieve those deleted messages and save the date. So, as you can see right here, we have an email. So, take that in mind that we have accidentally deleted it right this. So the emails are gone. Even if we look to our account right here, even if we look to our all email, it's not here, the ones that we've deleted. So in order for us to retrieve that, let's go to trash or open up this more settings right here, click more, and then hover to your left side and click on trash. So once you click on trash, you will see right here all the deleted emails from our Gmail before. So in order for us to restore this, just click on this one or this two emails right here. So let's go and move. We can also move this too. We can unread this. So we can go for settings right here, or we can just move it to our inbox again. So once you've done that, let's go to our inbox right here, and there you have it. The deleted emails are now back to our inbox. So let's do it again. Delete this one accidentally, and then go to trash, and here it is. Click on this part right here, click move to, click on inbox, and there it's gone in here, and now it's back in our inbox. So that's how you retrieve deleted emails on your Gmail account. So just go to trash, and all of these are the deleted ones. So if you want to delete it permanently, just click on this one and click on delete forever. And once you've done this, you can do this to your account because Gmail has a backup for this one, and that's an option for you to delete it forever. But you don't want that here because Gmail will automatically delete it after 30 days right here. So click on this, move to, and get it back to your inbox right here. So that's it guys. You've learned how to potentially recover Gmail emails that were permanently deleted. And remember, timing is crucial, so try to act quickly to increase your chances of success. We hope this guide was helpful to you, and if you find it useful, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences, just feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and follow those steps that we've highlighted here. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.